So let us see an example of mind map. I created a mind map for English tenses. So we study tenses, right? Most of us know what are tenses, what are English tenses, and what is present tense, past tense, and future tense, right? So what tense speaks about is time. So the things which are happening right now are like present tense. The things which are happened earlier is past tense. The things which are going to happen in the future is future tense. So I created a mind map for this. The central idea of the mind map is tenses. So I just kept the tense word as as a central idea. And then I kept the image of a time like a clock, which is like indicating we are going to study about basically time in the English language. And then what I did, I created three branches. One branch is like for present tense, one branch is like for past tense, one branch is like for future tense. And again, these tenses are like again divided into four, right? So every tense is divided as like simple, present, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So, see, I only wrote the keyword present here. Why? Because I am going to tell about the present tense. And again, here I am going to tell about simple present tense, but I did not write the whole word simple present tense. I simply wrote simple. You know, we have to write like this in mind map, so we have to use the keywords only, and it is much better if we use more diagrams and symbols here, but for now I did not add much diagrams but added only information. So I again gave like simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. And what are the most important things in the English is like English grammar is like the rules, right? So what is the rule for the simple present tense? Add it there, like subject plus base verb. And for continuous, subject plus be form plus present participle. And if it is like perfect, the sentence formation should in the structure like subject have or has plus past participle. Like this, I mentioned the structure of the sentence for every, you know, for every tense. And then here I gave about the past tense. Past is like a simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. And what is the rule for that? So for that I gave the rule here, subject plus past tense verb. Like that I gave rule. And then for the future also, I gave the same, like simple, continuous, simple future. But while reading this mind map, as soon as we see this mind map, we can understand it easily. Simple means simple future because it is all like you see, it is like simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect. Like our brain will automatically connect the dots like that. You don't have to mention specifically there. So just mentioning the keyword is like sufficient. So whenever after creating this mind map, whenever we get a tense, like okay, what is the future perfect tense? Automatically, we should be able to remember this formula. Like it is like subject form plus will plus have plus past participle, something like this. I created mind map only till this part, but if we have to create more in add more information in this, what we can do? What we can do is simply like we can add examples here. For example, take one verb form like running, eating, sleeping, something like that. Take any verb form and add a subject, create a subject, your name or somebody name, something. So create a subject and using the subject and verb, create a sentence in the future tense. Like Ravi will sleep tomorrow, something like that. Ravi will sleep. So that will become sim- simple future. So Ravi will be sleeping, it will become future continuous. And Ravi will have to sleep. That will become perfect tense. And Ravi I think here been present participle. Ravi will have been sleeping. This will become perfect continuous. See, like this, we can build more sentences and add one more node and write an example there. Then this mind map can be expanded in that way. You see, and particularly in this mind map, I added uh, examples down. I got this, image from Google and I just added it here so that as soon as I understand once the rules, I'll just go and check the examples and I'll remember it. Right. So like this, I have created a mind map. So you can apply your concepts and create a mind map in the similar way. Just one more thing. So if you are thinking like, okay, this is the mind map, how can I do a better mind map than this? What you can do? You can represent some image in terms of present, future, and past. Like just to make it like okay, not make it get bored. Suppose past is like which already happened. You can you can simply write it is like present is today, past is yesterday, and future is tomorrow. Something like that. It's like a kind of representation of time, like that. So you can customize it and improvise it as per your imagination. There is lot of hope. This is just an example of mind map, and I created this mind map using simple paint. Paint is there like in everyone computer, right? So this paint application will be there in all computers. So I did not use any um, other software or something like that to create it. So I just use the basic things. Thanks for listening to my video. Please share and subscribe it. I'll be adding more useful videos in my channel. Thank you.